Sometimes when you're trying to lose weight or eat healthy, you just want someone to tell you what to do. That's what I'm here for. This is what a delicious day of eating on a 1,500 calorie diet looks like. I'm gonna show you how to make this absolutely delicious, absolutely beautiful mason jar salad. Let's get started. As much as I love butternut squash, it takes a while to prep. So here I'm using some peeled, cubed butternut squash to cut down on prep time. And the first thing we wanna do is get this cooking. It takes a little bit longer to cook than the rest of the veggies. I fully suggest leaning on convenience ingredients like this to make healthy eating happen. And if anyone's told you that you can't use store-bought convenience items before, they're wrong. You can use whatever squash you want. You could use a sweet potato. Carbohydrates mean energy, so including them means you're gonna have a nice energizing lunch, dinner, breakfast, whatever you are making them for. And I'll separate these pieces just so they have enough room for that air in the oven to really circulate around the veggies, cook them evenly, and get them nice and golden brown. Into the oven these go, and we'll be back to cut our other produce. Now this recipe has a few components to it. Obviously, we're getting our veggie component prepped here. In comes another convenience product, our broccoli florets, and we're gonna add these to our bowl of other veggies here. We're gonna toss in some olive oil. You can use whatever seasonings you want. Here I'm using some herbs de Provence. There's a little bit of rosemary, there's oregano in there. Lots of delicious flavors in a single ingredient. That's why spice blends are so great. We also have some coarse kosher salt and some black pepper. And just keep stirring until that olive oil is evenly coating the veggies. And you can see there are tons of veggies here. Veggies have important nutrients, of course. They have those antioxidants, but they also contain fiber. And just like protein's important when you're trying to lose weight, so is fiber. Once the squash has been roasting for 10 minutes, you're gonna go ahead and add these other veggies to the sheet pan. We're gonna move on to make our creamy vegan cashew sauce. You're gonna wanna put it on everything. Let's make it. I am gonna start by picking some parsley here. You don't have to chop this at all. We're just gonna pick the leaves from the tougher stems there. So this dressing also stays in the fridge for 5 days. So you make it at the beginning of the week and you have a yummy dressing on hand for the whole week. Warning, you're probably gonna wanna make a double or triple batch. If you have friends over, they're gonna ask for some, so just go ahead and double or triple this from the start. Over to the food processor, we're gonna start dumping our ingredients. This is a vegan recipe, so we're using cashews for creaminess. We also have a little bit of water to get everything nice and liquidy and emulsified. A little bit of olive oil, some acid here. I'm using lemon juice, a little tamari or soy sauce for a touch of savory saltiness, and then some salt. And now we can whir away. So we're gonna give it some more time, but I'm gonna go ahead and scrape down the sides. Whoa, it smells amazing already. And the bright green color is already coming through. All right, I can't wait any longer. I have to taste it. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good. You get some saltiness, that savoriness from the cashews. It feels like a nice hearty dressing. That bright flavor from the parsley, the lemon juice, it's just perfect. Oh yum, look at the steaming sheet pan of veggies. It smells so good, it's so colorful. Last step is adding a little bit of balsamic vinegar on top of your veggies here. So this adds some nice flavor, a little bit of bite, and it's just that added touch to make this feel special. So my protein source is soy lime roasted tofu recipe. It's delicious. I meal prepped it ahead of time. You can get the link for this recipe below. I highly suggest you try it. Now, if tofu isn't your thing, swap in a different protein. The key is just to go for an option that's a little lower in sodium. Now to the assembling piece. I love using these big 4-cup mason jars. It leaves enough room to layer in your ingredients and then also room to shake. And you can eat directly out of this container, so you don't have to dirty another plate if you don't want to. Now, when it comes to the assembly of these salads, the order is important. We are gonna start with layering our creamy vegan cashew dressing on the bottom. This helps prevent the lettuce and even the veggies getting wilted over time because the acid in this dressing can wilt those ingredients. Next up is our tofu here. And this is my favorite way to make tofu. So if you think you don't like tofu, try out this recipe and your mind will probably be changed. Now onto the veggies. veggies. So you want about a cup or so of veggies in here. Next up are your mixed greens. So I'm gonna go ahead and pack it in here, add a nice handful. And if you're not using greens, you can add more veggies, whatever works for you. Last but not least, a little bit of crunch. I love adding seeds to salad. Adding them on top helps ensure that they will keep that nice crunch while in the fridge. Now the fun part, shake. You get an arm workout too in the process. Now this sound brings all the people in the EatingWell office to the kitchen because they know that something delicious is coming up. So I'm gonna plate it for you so you can see how beautiful it looks. Okay, now my favorite part of all, let's try it. That is unreal. You want someone to tell you what to make? This is it, make this, it's so good. All right, our lunch is made. Let's look at what else you get to eat on this delicious day. Here we have an arugula and avocado omelet. It's fresh, it's delicious, it's a great and easy way to start your day. For your morning snack, we keep it simple. We have a nice tart apple with cinnamon sprinkles on top for a little extra flavor. For lunch, you have this gorgeous mason jar salad we just made. Shake it up and dive in. For your afternoon snack, we have some hummus with cucumbers and veggie sticks. For dinner, we have zucchini noodles in a avocado pesto with shrimp. And because we need even more, a simple side salad ties it all together. So here is just one delicious sample day of what healthy eating on a 1,500 calorie diet looks like. Key thing here for weight loss. If you're not feeling full and satisfied after these meals, eat more. That's your body telling you that you actually need more calories. So don't ignore those hunger cues. We have so many other delicious recipe ideas on EatingWell.com so you can swap in different recipes, try different things out, and use this meal plan as a template. If you are not feeling shrimp and zucchini noodles, find a recipe that's in a similar calorie range, has plenty of protein and fiber, and swap that in instead. You can find all of the nutrition information at the bottom of each recipe page. I love when you tag me on social media and show me what you're making, so let me know if you make any of these tasty recipes here, and let me know what you want to see next time on Prep School. Thanks so much for watching, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time.